Try it, like it, create it. And today I am making a three-dimensional butterfly using Cut CardStock products. I am working first with the pink sapphire in Sparkle, and then also using the pop tone in Razzleberry. And I've cut both of these ahead of time on my Cricut Maker. And I just used the setting for glitter cardstock for the glitter, and then a medium for the Razzleberry. And what I'm going to do here is apply some adhesive to the body on the butterfly, and then layer the glitter piece on top. And so this body part is the only area that's going to be holding it together, because like I said, it's going to be three-dimensional. So we want to glue the body down to the center. Notice that the head and the antennae are not on the bottom piece. Now, to make this three-dimensional, we're going to want to lift up the glitter piece. I did not score it on the maker, and I did not score or give you score lines in the file because it's a delicate piece, and what I want to do is just use my fingernail in place and just bend along the body shape. Okay, so you're just going to gently bend your butterfly on both sides. Use your finger as a guide to hold the body in place. And then you can adjust as you want it to be. And then if you want your antennae to curl up a little bit, you can do that as well. All right, so there is the 3D butterfly. So now what do you use it for? Well, you could place it on a card. You could place it on top of a greeting. It would be a great decoration in a little girl's room if you wanted to stick it to the wall. Make a couple of them, do them in different colors. You know, the shadow caused by the lifting of the top layer of the butterfly is just beautiful, and the two colors of pink go together so well. I'm going to add some texture to the back of my card, and I'm going to start with Distressed Oxide and Spun Sugar. And I'm just going to load up my sponge, and then I am just going to bring that around the edge. And I have yellow on my sponge already, so it's carrying some of that onto the card, and I'm okay with that. I will just work the pink on top of the yellow, give me kind of a peachy look to my edges. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that, and I am now going to move on and use a little bit of this shimmer powder from Nuvo Tonic, and I am just going to tap this onto the card. And then I'm going to spritz it with water to activate that. I'm working on a cutting mat. Alright, so here we go. I've spritzed it. It's a little bit heavy for me. I'm just going to turn this over on my mat and kind of work that around to kind of smear the color a bit. And then use a baby wipe to take off some of the color. Now I'm going to use a heat tool to just dry the paper. So now I'm going to stamp my sentiment for the card in black. Alright, and then all I have to do is trim that down. So I have my tape runner on the back, and I am just going to place that on my card front. Push that down. And now I'm going to put some tape runner on the back of my butterfly. Not too close to the edges because I know that he hangs off a little bit. So I'm going to place that on the card. And then the last thing is just to take the adhesive off of the foam. It's easiest to do when you have a pin to peel off those layers. Alright, then I'm just going to place that right here on the card. And there we have it.